guys, I have been so excited to share with you guys my new Lull mattress that I've had for a little over a week now. I could not wait to share it with you guys because I am absolutely obsessed. Me and Brandon have been wanting to upgrade from our queen to a king for a really long time now, but living in the city and in an apartment, we were a little nervous about the logistics and getting it here and getting our old mattress out and everything like that. And Lull makes it so simple. It gets delivered to your apartment in a box. I grabbed the box, brought it inside, set it up completely by myself in under a few minutes. Yes, it is literally that easy that I set up a king bed by myself in under a few minutes. I also love how great the comfort and support is of this mattress. We used to wake up a lot in the middle of the night because one of us would have to let Rosie out or like get up in the middle of the night. And now because the support is so great, we don't wake up when the other one gets up. And if you sleep with someone else at night, you know how important support is in the comfort of a mattress because you need a great night's sleep. I absolutely am obsessed with it. It has completely changed the way I sleep. I now get a great night's sleep and wake up refreshed and ready to go in the morning and get on my morning workout. So get your Lull mattress today. I know you're gonna love it as much as I do. Right, Rosie? Right! You love it too, don't you? Yes!